Hello everyone, this is Nitish and I would like to take a moment to share my experience with UNP because it has truly transformed the way I approach data analysis. Before the internship, I had a basic understanding of data but wasn't sure how to truly leverage them for data insights. But what was the game changer for me in this internship was learning about data visualization and database management. Where learning Power BI felt like gaining a superpower for data where I could pick up any complex data and transform it into an interactive dashboard which could be understood by anyone. I also remember working with my team on a project where we used SQL to create a database and analyze the key metrics of the company. I would like to take a moment to thank Sovan for his willingness to answer all the questions, enhance my learning experience. My overall experience with UNP was amazing with a blend of live sessions and team building projects.